Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by the shop. I really appreciate your time for a visit. Another Screwy Tuesday here, and as you know, my name's Chuck and the channel's Outside Screwball. Well, here's something you don't see very often. If you've been a fan of my videos over the past year or 2 years, whatever, it's been a while, 200 plus videos up there, you've probably never seen this behind me, a clean workbench. Spring cleaning. I had to go for it, and let's see, let me click off here and we'll give you a picture of what I found. I guess it's a couple short little videos. What I found once I cleaned everything off the top of the workbench, and then a little in progress and maybe another little shot once it was done. I did post it up on Facebook, and my joke there was I think I need to build a fence around it so it'll stay clean. So let's click over to those, and then we'll come on back. This is pretty cool. I actually found it, the top of my workbench. Well, as you can see, it's been abused. So I'm going to work on my scraping techniques to get this baby clean. Okay, spring cleaning of the workbench is done. Now I'm just going to build a fence and put it around it so I can't put anything on it. Turned out nice though. Okay, well, let's have more discussion about the Grisetti Surface Grinder. As you know, it's new, and I've been showing quite a few videos on it. And I've done a couple of more improvements, and let's move the camera and we'll talk about the improvements that I did. We're over at the Surface Grinder, and one of the improvements that I did, which turns out to be a fail, let me move the camera here just for a second. A little vacuum cleaner down there. I was hoping it was going to do the job, and I created an adapter so that it would connect to the shroud here. So I made a little adapter out of Delrin, and it was a fun little project, and fits the hose nice, fits there great. But let's click to a video, and you're going to be amazed at how much grinding dust was still escaping. So we'll click over to those videos, and then we'll have some more discussion. I'm going to hook up a small vacuum. You can see it in the video. That vacuum is the work. Cleaning up parallels. It's definitely getting a pot of dust. So I'm going to, I don't have anything to grind right now. I do have a much larger shop vac. It's a, what is it? 6.5 horsepower, much bigger unit. So I'm going to make an adapter for that and try that on it and see if it solves it. It was the same vacuum that I had when I had the my other surface grinder back in my machine room. And as we've seen in past videos, I couldn't see the dust that was being created. And one of the reasons I couldn't see the dust being created was that the light fixture on the old unit was over on this side of the head. It's really the wrong place for a light to be on a surface grinder. It should be left of the wheel or behind the grinder. And the purpose of that is sighting the wheel that you can see your distances when coming down to a part. You can check your clearances So with all that said, I made a arm to hold a light fixture on this side. And I got some video of that little build. It was a lot of fun. It was one of those things that I just kind of grabbed a piece of aluminum, kind of held it up there, and no drawings or anything, and just started putting it in the mill and squaring and hacking, and made a part, and I'm really happy with it. So let's click over, and got a couple of shots of doing that. Here's a good example of a use of a screwy ball. So I'm shaping this part, and to get it to hold in the vise there, it's against the parallel and it's against the fixed jaw, but I've got a rough cut on the other two sides. So here the screwy ball is allowing me to go ahead and clean up this top surface. Well, all that aluminum cutting got me a bracket for my surface grinder for the light fixture. Worked out good. The last item that I completed was finishing the back fence for the unit, and move the camera. And I was using a crescent wrench to actuate the magnet, but it's a 14 millimeter square, where a 14 millimeter wrench will fit it. And this is just a good safety. This on here, when it's up, magnet's off. When it's down, magnet's on. Till I build a handle for it, that's just a good safety. The other thing that I did is this unit came with a spray mist unit, and the arm really wasn't conducive to how it was being held. So I made a spacer and a new rod and new bolts to hold everything. So it's very easy to adjust right now, and it works real well. So that was another little fun figure out build. So having fun with the grinder, and let's finish this video up. Everybody likes to see my dog Howie, so just a short little shot of him and my granddaughter, or my daughter's dog, Maggie, again playing some tug of war in the yard. It's interesting, Maggie now is old enough and quick enough that she can, when she wants to, I don't think it's in this video, but she can basically tease Howie and then turn, and he can't get the throw toy away from her. So with that, let's close. And guys, thanks very much for stopping by my channel. If you enjoy this, go ahead and subscribe. Channel keeps growing, and I really appreciate it. This was my little attempt to see if I had helped the vacuum. This is where the dresser is right there, and I was trying to just plug off that, see if it would draw better, but it really didn't. Okay, thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next Screwy Tuesday.